Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to import videos in Capcut mobile. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up a Capcut app. Now Capcut is one of the video editing software that is really popular. You can use it to create projects, photo editing, auto cutting, product photos, AI poster. You can use it for AI models, retouching, auto captions, teleprompting, background, to remove background and to enhance images. Now, we want to learn how to import video in Capcut mobile. Let's get right to it. The first thing you're going to do is, after opening up your Capcut app, you're going to tap on new project, and immediately you have to select the video you want to import. So let's say I want to import this particular video. You tap on it like this. Now if it's videos, you can tap as many as you want. Let's want to import this too, and then you tap. You can decide to have collage or to add the two together. So if I add collage, you can see it. You can decide to put it like this or like this beside each other, and then I can also choose the ratio I want it to look, and then I can tap on continue. Now this is for if you want the video to play simultaneously. So as you can see, the both videos are showing, this one over here and this over here. So as you can see, both the videos are showing. The first one over here, second one over here. Now if I don't want to do a collage, for example, let's go back. From choice, I can simply export it. Right, tap on export. Now I don't want to export it because I'm not actually, this is actually what I want. So I'll delete it. Oh yeah, you can't delete the only clip. So instead of deleting this, let's say I want to delete this particular one. Okay, the one I want to delete should be the one at the, should not be in this place. So let's say it's this one I want to delete. I want to replace this one with another video. So down here we have the options. So look for replace. Tap on replace, and then we'll choose the video we want to use to replace it. Let's say I want to use this one. Tap on it, tap on confirm, and that's it. That is how to import video or videos in Capcut. So hope you found this video helpful on how to import videos in Capcut mobile. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.